We're doing it. So what I'm doing is we're looking at the history here of the games that have come out, and then recently. So we're gonna start off with 2016. So Overwatch, that was a W, right? That was a W. Legion, that was a W. Okay. Rise of Necromancer, that's L. That's an L. That's an L. Gonna be honest, that's an L. Yes. I mean, StarCraft 2. Wait, StarCraft 2? SC2. I mean, I don't know. Wait, SC2. Covert Ops. I feel like that's a... I think that's a W, chat. That's a W. People like that. It was overall positive. It was overall positive. Okay, StarCraft Remastered. What was that? What was a StarCraft Remastered? That wasn't like what the fuck is this? It's trying to open Battle.net. Wait, what the fuck is this? I'm trying to Google StarCraft. Why is it trying to open Battle.net? What is this voodoo magic, bro? Holy shit. The fuck is going on? It's trying to install malware. 9.10 out of IGN, 9.3. Let's go to the Metacritic. I don't trust anything IGN or Google says. Let's have a look at Metacritic. 85, user score 7.8. That's a W, chat. And we're not gonna lie, StarCraft Remastered was a W. Okay, World of Warcraft. WoW, BFA. That was a hard L. Why does it keep going to Legion, bro? I'm trying to say L, bro, and it keeps up on Legion, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna say WoW Legion. WoW BFA. That was a hard L. WoW Classic. That was a W. That was a W. Oh my god, stop doing that. BFA was not fun. BFA was dog shit. Dude, Azerite powers. Like Azerite powers, all that shit. You compare how... Okay, BFA was a direct downgrade from Legion. That's what I'm saying. BFA was dog, bro. I mean, that was... I mean, this is what I think, chat, ultimately. So I'm just saying, okay, WoW. WoW Reforged. I mean, dude, Warcraft Reforged. Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Warcraft... I mean, dude, let's have a look at this shit, dude. Let's have a look at Warcraft Reforged. Let's look at the trailer, bro. Wait, that's a cinematic trailer, right? Look at how popular the cinematic trailer was. Cinematic trailer.
We never paid any heed to the ancient prophecies.
It was such a good idea.
Like fools, we clung to the old hatreds.
Wait, like, bro, I'm gonna be honest. How did they fuck this up so hard? Like, think about this. Warcraft 3 Reforged was such a good idea because Warcraft 3 was so fucking good. All they had to do was just make it and just modernize it. That's it. Just make it again and then modernize it. That's all they had to do. Just make it but good. And then they had this golden goose that they could have, like, I mean, bro, they could just literally make the same game again except good. And then they just fucking threw it in the trash can, bro. I mean, look at this. People are hyped. I'm hyped just watching this.
And fought as we had for generations.
Like, any reasonable company wouldn't have fucked up this opportunity. And then on top of that, nor would they release the game. If they QA and tested it for 1 second, they'd realize, no, this is a dog shit product. We're not going to release it. And they just wouldn't release it, right? Because it's just bad for them. Oh my god. Oh shit, the infernal golems, bro. Oh shit.
The sky rained fire. And the new enemy came among us.
Oh shit. How the fuck did they squander this so hard? That's just insane to me. One job.
We stand now upon the brink of destruction. For the reign of chaos has come at last.
Too many I can offer. Holy shit, it's freezing. Shit, bro. And you fucked it up so bad. Okay, and then you go walk out Reforge. And then you check this out, bro. Have a look at this, bro. Have a look at this. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here we go, boys. Here we go. The coolest scene out of the entire fucking game. Literally the coolest scene. Like, I had such high hopes for this. Look what they did to my boy. Look what they did to him. It's so shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. How Ellen looks so dumb, bro. He looks so dumb. God, it looks so stupid. These animations look terrible. Oh my god, bro. What? He's gonna use Metamorphosis, bro. Sick. It's popping off. They should be talking and shit as well. I mean, let's be honest. They should have tried to capture what made the first one so good, and then did an extended cut. What? It doesn't even sound like Arthas at all, bro. What a dog shit fucking scene. Oh my god, it's so bad, bro. It's so bad. I don't even understand what the fuck I mean, how could they see this and then release that? How can they see that? Okay, so anyway, Warcraft, okay, that's like Giga L. Okay, Warcraft Reforged. Okay, WoW Shadowlands. Do you know what? WoW Shadowlands, I feel like that was a W. I feel like that was just... I think, do you not think it was only... Really? Let's have a look here. Metacritic of Shadowlands here, chat. Oh, wow. What the hell? The PvP was good in that one. They actually had... Arena was back, bro. Why is it a 2.6? Why was it a 2.6, bro? Holy shit. The PvP was good in that one. It was fast-paced. You could own people. You could blow them up. That's crazy. That's insanity, actually. Oh, yeah, to be honest, I had nothing to do. That was it, right? With Shadowlands, there was nothing to do. And I would just have to wait for people to log in to then play. And then Dark Unit says, the game mechanics were trash and they butchered every aspect of the story, to be honest, current and past. Oh, wow, there you go. Okay. I'm going to put that as an L. Minor. It's a minor L. I think it's a minor L. Because you know, they didn't, I mean, that's from my point of view. I enjoy playing Shadowlands. Do you know what, bro? I had such good experience. I had such a fun time playing the people. I mean, okay, I'm gonna put Shadowlands. I'm putting Shadowlands as a minor W. Purely because PvP was fast and fun. Minor. Wait, is that even minor? WoW Classic Burning Crusade. Is that an L, dude? I mean, let's see. I didn't play it. Yeah, they did destroy that. They did destroy that. Yeah, I mean, what I'm saying is it's a very minor W. I'm saying it's slightly. I think. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. What the fuck happened here, bro? Oh my god. That can't be a 0.8, right? Why is it a 0.8? Because someone explain to me why this is a fucking 0.8, bro? Where are we? Burning Crusade Classic. BC Classic. I think it's an L. That's an L, Chad. That's an L. I think WoW BC Classic is an L. To be fair, it was an L for me as well. Personally, it was an L for me because A, they added all that like WoW token boosting bullshit, and on top of that, I just don't really care because it wasn't a classic. What I want is I don't want them to keep re-release. Like, when does it end? When does it end? What, are they gonna do fucking WoW Classic Catadog shitclism? Cataclysm was fucking trash. Fucking trash. What are they gonna keep? Are we gonna get classic? Fucking garrison. What the fuck was that dog shit expansion? What the fuck was it with the garrisons where you go in and live inside your garrison and you wouldn't see anyone? Yeah, are we gonna get classic WoD? Like, when does it end? No, fuck re-releasing old expansions. Like, soon classic Shadowlands is gonna be out, man. It's a fucking joke. It's a joke. What they need to do is go back, get classic, the original classic, WoW Classic, and then they need to nail down the fundamental pillars of what makes Classic so good, the magic of Classic, and ensure that is fucking solid, and then start doubling down on those values that make it good. And then via, talking to the community and talking to everyone, and then thinking about it a lot, they should slowly add in a little bit more content, and they should add in balancing changes to Classic. That's what they should do. And that will get me fully erect. Okay? Okay, D2 Resurrected. That's a W. D2 Resurrected. Resurrected. Okay, that's a W. And this is what WoW Reforged should have been. This is like, oh yeah, this is how you do the same game but better, like remastered in the current year, right? That's what Reforged should have been. Okay. Now we get into the real trash. Diablo Immortal. Oh my god. Diablo Immortal announcement. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, here it is.
Our modern world is an increasingly connected one. Our mobile devices keep us closer than ever to our friends, family, and loved ones.
I mean, bro, dude.
We knew we want to use mobile devices as the platform for a new Diablo game. Because nothing brings a family together like slaying demons. But we wanted true to Blizzard, putting gameplay first.
What utter dog shit he is spouting? A way that is true to Blizzard, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, gameplay first, dude. Monetization first. It's literally the opposite. Before the game was, there's like fucking slides and images of meetings with Wyatt standing at the front of a whiteboard, literally the going of a monetization before the game's even being completed. And it's not even made by them, it's made by another company, which is just a reskin mobile game that already existed.
Is there any plans to make this playable on PC, or is this strictly mobile forever?
Are there any, the current plan is to be on mobile, both Android and iOS. We don't have any plans at the moment to do PC.
Bro, imagine getting fucking booed. They are paying, what is it, like $700 or something? They're paying hundreds of dollars. They're flying out to your convention. They are literally flying there. They're super fans. Okay? They're super fans. And are booing you. I don't even know, bro.
Do you guys not have phones?
Yeah, you guys all have phones, right?
There's no way it can be worse than that BlizzCon, chat. All right, that BlizzCon was just objectively like the worst BlizzCon to ever exist. Okay, that is like Giga, Ultra, Mega, L, like Death of Blizzard. Yeah, Death of Blizzard. I don't know. That one was terrible. Okay, actually fucking terrible. So, all right, World of Warcraft, Wrath of the Lich King Classic. Wait, that came out? Wait, that was a thing that came out? That's actually a thing that exists? That's got to be an L, right? I didn't even know that was a thing. Wrath Classic? What the fuck? That's already a thing? Is that just an instant L, dude? What are we talking about? And what's chat think? Oh my god, everyone hates it, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on there? User base is 99% bots. Does Blizzard ban accounts? Just bad dev team decisions trying to milk money from out of their best product, removing. Oh shit! This game is beep beep bot beep beep bot beep boop bot. I mean, bro, what the fuck? Oh my god! Yeah, Blizzard dev teams trying to milk money out of their best product, removing tools to keep players playing the game. It took them 8 months to fix a bug that was reported in pre-patch. Old school Blizzard is dead now that it's bad. This is not a classic version. This is basically retail with the same graphics, same non-binary LGBTQ enforcement for players. What? What? What is this? The same cash shop boosting options like in retail? This is overall just a failure. This is not Wrath of the Lich King. You can play the same version on retails, and since the devs are too lazy to update the graphics, you'll even find the same outdated graphics like in classic. Wait, what is he complaining? He's saying it's the same as retail, but it's not the same as retail? I don't even understand what he's even saying there, bro. Yeah, still Wrath of the Lich King, but it lacks, I mean, yeah, zero support. Actual trash. It seems like people hate it because there's no support or something. I'm gonna be honest. That's probably an L. That's probably an L. Well taken L. I feel like it is, right? It is an L. Okay, so that's an L. Not a Legion, but an L. WoW Wrath Classic L. And we're at Overwatch 2. Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Oh shit. Overwatch 2. Yeah, so Overwatch 2, chat. What? They said they were going to be releasing it, and it was going to be like Overwatch, but 2, and it's going to come with all this PvE, and it's going to have the huge PvE mode, and all this shit's going to be crazy. And then everything that was going to make Overwatch 2 unique and interesting and different, they just took out of it. So then it's basically just Overwatch 1, but remastered. It's a complete fucking scam, a complete fucking joke. The only one W they had was the fact that they made the game free to play, right? And it's not pay to win. Which was like, that's just an L. I think it's just a mid L. I think it's a mid L. That's right, yeah. Yeah, I think it's a... That's not a W. Yeah, I think it's just an L. I think Overwatch 2. L. Alright, WoW Dragonflight. I mean, WoW Dragonflight's dog shit, right? That's complete dog shit. They completely removed all they stripped out the RPG aspects of the game. They made the PvP in the game complete bitch and dog shit. I mean, I feel like Dragonflight was also fucking trash. What does people think though? Actually, wait, what does chat think? What does chat think about WoW Dragonflight? I hated it. I played it and I hated it. I really enjoyed the initial starting of Shadowlands, whereas Dragonflight was like, there was nothing to do. There was nothing to do, bro. Let's have a look at Metacritic. Metacritic of WoW Dragonflight. 3.3. Holy shit, man. Everyone hates? Like, what the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? People will hate this. Worst expansion ever. Unfortunately, the game is broken for me. Whenever the game goes on sale, they start banning active gamers who play daily and earn a lot of gold. Is this guy just mad because he cheated and then got banned for cheating, bro? I don't understand. Like, what the fuck? Very bad game. What the fuck is this? He doesn't like the graphics, bro. It's a 2. It's a 2. Doesn't like the graphics. Jeez, what a failure. Outdated and racist as it was before. What? What is it? Wait, are they pissing off everyone? I'm confused. Wait, what the fuck is going on there? Jeez, are they pissing off the people? Like, okay, gee, what a failure. Outdated and racist as it was before. And the director, well, have fun playing your Worgen in a scaly suit. That can only be one class. Has to run around literally naked because there's no transmog and can't fly freely. Choose all races for visage. So have fun being stuck playing female human, male BL for the rainbow scales. XD. Okay, guys. Okay, so I think that's an L, chat. I think personally it's an L for me because I played this and it was an L for me, bro. So I'm going to put that on there. So, yeah, Wild Dragonflight L. We got Diablo 4. Diablo 4, bro. Honestly, nah. I think it's a mid. It's a mid, isn't it? I mean, it's bad, and the launch was bad, but do you not think that it has a chance? I feel like it has a chance. No. I think it's like... Okay, I'll tell you what. L, but very low tier. They are at least trying. Okay? I think it's a low tier L. Like, it's just an L. But it could turn into a W. I think that's straight up. I think it's a low tier L, and it could turn into a W. What the fuck is this? Warcraft Rumble? The fuck is this? The fuck is Warcraft Rumble again, chat? What the fuck is Warcraft Rumble, guys? Is this some mobile game shit? What is this? I'm gonna be honest. Okay, no, it's gonna come off as hate watching. Every single take I've ever seen from this guy, though, is literally the worst take I've ever seen in my entire life. Yeah, he's like, it's like, you know, there's like mobile creators. You know, I was talking to Darth Microtransaction, how he's like he's like a mobile creator or whatever. Well, that's like a mobile creator, and he's like just so, it's so unhinged, and it's so like, it's just not, it doesn't seem like a real person, which is a bad sign, by the way. That guy loves Diablo Immortal, by the way. What is this? So, I forgot about this shit. Warcraft Rumble. Let's have a look here. So this game isn't out, right? This game is not out? It is out. Well, it came out yesterday. I mean, I have no idea what I'm watching. It's just a bunch of, like, miniature-looking Warcraft guys. So it's just a mobile game, right? I mean, I don't know. Is this game gonna be good? Oh my god. Whoa! Everybody hates this thing! Wait, why do they hate it so much? Wait, wait, what the fuck? Everybody hates it! What? That's crazy! Because it's mobile? But wait, if they release it, right? If they release it at the same time as they're releasing other games like Diablo 4, then isn't it okay? I feel like you're allowed to release mobile games as long as you're making other games, and this is just clearly a side thing. But if to be fair, if it's anything like monetized, like, if it's monetized at all, even slightly similarly, the way, you know, Diablo 4 is, well, then we're fucked. Right? Then we're fucked. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Wait, is the game out? Likely L. Let's go put likely L. Okay, so now if we look at our shit here, boys. All right, so in 2016 we were having some W's. There was an L. A lot of W's. So that's like, wait, let's have a look at the total thing here. So let's see. Let's count the L's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 L's. So L equals 9. And then we have how many W's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 W's. 10? Wait, what do you mean 10? L's is 10? Wait, it's 10. Wait, really? Did I miss one? Okay, I'm trying to count. So we're looking at this ratio here, chat. That means Blizzard's like what, a 4.5 out of 10 right now. And then if you look at the time scale, if you say like what's happened recently, like holy shit. If you get that, if you get a more narrow band of like what's being released, I mean everything since Diablo Immortal has been an L. When did Diablo Immortal come out? Wait, when was that? So wait, Blizzard. So since 2021, since mid 2021, Blizzard has been completely L. So that has been literally, so they have not had a single W for 3 years. So if you look at it like that, then you're like, okay, it's very likely this BlizzCon's gonna suck absolute dick.
Because he is
God Gamer.